Alrighty, it is 1:18. Cabin's ready. So for those of you that are new to cruising, first time watching this video, they'll have the keys and stuff over here in an envelope. If you have any kind of specialty dining or any type of things like that, they'll have that in here. So I have steakhouse tonight with my friends. Bag was already here, so I got priority baggage, and in this one I'm in 1253. I'll do a separate cabin tour video, so I'll have that ready. Let me get my key. What's going on, beach bums? It's cabin tour time. This time I'm staying in 1253. It's an interior cabin on deck one on the odd side, and I'll talk about why I mentioned odd side real quick. So just something that I've learned or found that a lot of people don't realize, there's an odd and an even side. So sometimes they think they're booking rooms next to each other, so they'll think, oh okay, I'm booking cabin 1252 1253, but they don't realize that 1252 is actually across. So especially if you have like, you know, you want to be next to family or friends or whatever, so just keep that in mind. Also, when you're trying to find your room, again, know that there's an odd and even side. Okay, with that said, here we go. So this is the front entrance. You've got the closet space over here. Will be on your right side when you're walking in, and then of course the restroom on your left side. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll cover the closets and the restroom and all that. So let's just go ahead and go in, and then you've got your vanity area over here. We'll try to get a better angle of the room. It's really hard because it's kind of a smaller space, so trying to get good angles for these videos sometimes it's a little difficult, but I'll make it work. So first thing I want to point out is that my bed is in a king bed setup. Usually when I'm traveling with my buddy, we'll get the two twins, so then they would we'd ask for that in advance, and then they would have it set up here in two twins. But in this case, I'm solo. He's here with his wife and daughter, so they've got their own cabin, and so they're set up in their own way. My luggage is over here off to the side. There's a nightstand right behind that there, and there's another nightstand over here. So again, if you were in a twin bed setup, you would see a nightstand with each of the two twin beds. So that's kind of nice. Beds are comfy. I really enjoy them. Pillows are usually pretty comfortable. There's a little light switch right back here, something I like to point out because that turns off the main lights. So if you don't turn them off there, you get in bed, you can just turn them off right over there. Luggage mat on the bed for you to use for your luggage. So later on, as soon as I'm done with this video, actually I will start unpacking. I love to unpack and get myself settled in just as the cruise starts, so I don't have to worry about it later. Over here is your vanity area again, so I'm just trying to find good angles so you can get a good. It's really hard in seeing these videos and watching them. It's really hard to get a good idea of what the room space is like. So I try to do my best, but it's really difficult. Like I'm kind of walking through here. There's like a little bit of space here, not a whole lot walking space. And anyway, so there's like a little seat here if you want to sit and do makeup. There's a light for the mirror, again, just to give you more lighting. Should have turned that on in the beginning because now it's a little bit brighter. TV with a welcome aboard message. On the TV, you've got the option to check your account summary and do other things along with watching TV. Some cameras on the ship too you can watch. There's some cabinet space or shelving space down here that you can use. I like to use that space. Ooh, and then right over here, some drawers to use. And this is the laundry bag with the laundry sheets to fill out if you want to do laundry. A hair dryer, not the most powerful, so if you have thick hair, you might want to bring your own. Some more storage space, and then one more down here. Right up here is the phone that you can call guest services, among other places. And right behind it, you'll see the two USB ports. And over here is your two 120 volts to plug stuff in. And if you need the 220, it's over here, or if you have an adapter, you can use that. They'll provide you the fun times. It's a daily schedule. You'll have that here on the first day, and then they'll leave it out on the front door there where you saw me put the show the number of the cabin daily. Remote, waters, glass. These waters, if you use them, $4.25 a piece. Just keep that in mind, but you can use them. Shelf space here, shelf space there. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the closets. And here's where you have your little mini fridge cooler. I'll show you guys a little hack probably towards the end of this video after I go and show you the restroom area. some ventilation here, but we'll talk about the ventilation here. That's the little hack I wanted to show you. And then a little shelf space up here, some hangers. Common question asked is, can I get more hangers? Of course, if there's, let's say, 2 of you in here and you definitely need more hangers, there's some there, some here, and you can always ask more from your room steward. So this is kind of a longer, taller one. Okay, and then there's a mirror here if you need a full body mirror. And then one more over here. Not much space in this one, but this is where your life jackets are, your room safe, not bad size, and then some extra bedding stuff. So not a whole lot of storage space in there, but you can utilize it if you need to. Main light switch, bathroom light switch. I'm about to talk.
Welcome aboard.
Okay, I'll be back. Hang on, let them finish talking. Alrighty, I'm back. They're just letting everybody know that the cabins were ready and just some general announcements that they'll do here at the beginning of the embarkation. Okay, so let's go ahead and so I was just mentioning this is the light to turn the bathroom light on and off. And let's go ahead and step in. First thing I just want to point out, areas here that you can hang towels or hang your toiletry kit type you know, item, or like hangers that you can hang your toiletry kit. Is that what they're called? Toiletry bag. Anyway, so then the sink area over here, you got some shelves on either side over here, and you will get some soap in the room, but some people like liquid soap, you'll have to bring that yourself. Speaking of, you'll get shampoo and shower gel, but if you want conditioner, you'll definitely have to bring that yourself. You've got your adjustable shower head over here. You can adjust it, bring it up and down. You got your the on and off, and then the hot water, cold water, on off, hot water, cold water. Okay, over here. So you'll make those adjustments and leave it there. In the shower area, you've also got your drying line that goes around and connects over here. So if you want to dry your wet clothing, and pretty, you know, decent space. Not largest space in the shower, but enough to do what you need to do. Your toilet, towels, etc. Not much. One other thing I want to point out in here, a little plug right up here that you can use to plug your, if you have like a shaver, or you know, charger for your shaver or anything like that, maybe a hair dryer. If you're bringing a hair dryer, plug those in over there. Let's go back out. The thermostat over here, so all the way down like that is cold. You want it down in the middle, or you can go up for heat. Definitely don't want that. So let's go down over here, and I'll usually adjust that throughout the cruise. Now it's in December, so it won't be as warm, so I might make some adjustments there if it gets too cold, but I want to just kind of cool it down a little bit. They had it up like towards the middle when I came in. Again, I think that about covers it. I try not to make these things too long. I've done other cabin tour videos, so if you're staying in a different type of cabin on another cruise, just go ahead and check my playlists and check my videos, and you'll be able to find mostly Cruise the Radiance. So if you're on there going on the Radiance, there's a good chance I have a video for it, whether it's a cabin or something on the Radiance. Definitely a ton of Ensenada videos, so check those out. If you're not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe. I do a bunch of these little videos, helpful, informative, those type of things. If not, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you, beach bums. All right, sorry, I know I ended this video, but I just remembered I didn't show you the hack that I was talking about. So let me show you that. So I mentioned this in other videos before, but just putting this little hand towel in there just gives it extra ventilation. I had already shown you earlier in the video that there was the vents back there, but just giving it more of the ventilation just helps. It's not really a true refrigerator, so you know, the way to get it to even cool even more, so again, give it more ventilation, just something that I'd learned from some others, and I thought I'd pass that on to you. Another cool little thing I hadn't shown in my past videos, but I wanted, my wife had this, and she gave it to me. It's really cool, especially like when you're traveling and stuff, to not have to worry about bringing a bunch of cables. So it just plugs in via USB, and you can plug, if you have iPhone and AirPods and the Apple Watch, so I can charge my watch, charge my AirPods, and then my phone, all in one stop. It's really cool. Works really great. So just thought I'd let somebody's trying to call me. All right, talk to you all soon. Bye.